lovies, it is I, yours truly, Lisa B, Lisa Bling, Lisa Sweet Melody B, coming at you with the latest of my fast wig reviews. Now, I know most of you are wondering, where have I been? Well, I just haven't been interested in what I've seen lately, and most of what's coming out as far as lace front wigs and the latest wigs are all kind of repeating themselves on the style and the look and the colors. So I really just wait until there's something I'm interested in, because I purchase my own wigs myself, and so I'm beholden to no one but me. And regularly I peruse all of my favorite online wig sites, and I finally found something that has caught my eye, and it is this micro LOCS, let's see here, by Bobbi micro LOCS Feather Tips 22, and the color I have is T4 27613, and I have not unboxed yet because I was waiting for this moment to show you. And this is what she looks like. There we go. Nice close up there. And so I wanted to share with you my first-hand experience with this. So let's get to it. With the onset of summer, I really appreciate a nice, cool kind of wig style, because wearing long hair in the summertime outside can, you know, if you start sweating, it's gonna connect to your neck, and then it's gonna frizz up and all of that stuff. So you really try to avoid all of that by getting something that resembles just natural hair. Now this is beautiful, and I do love a good lock moment, because locks are just gorgeous and easy to maintain, and they don't bunch up. And if we look here, you can already see how beautiful that is. Can you imagine what you would pay at the salon or to you know, a good stylist for this kind of work? It's got this first class lace here that is extremely, let me move all this out of the way, transparent. Now let me just take a look at the box here to see what we're dealing with. This is the does it say anything? I'll check a little more. Hey, so it's 4x4 handmade, lightweight. As you can see, it comes with baby hairs, right? And this is the back view. So pretty. And you know, wears like natural hair. It's got a band on the inside if you use a good band. Me, myself, I've already got my band in place, so I don't really tend to use these. And for those of you who choose not to, unfortunately, this is sewn in, so you know, you could always cut it out if you want. Here's the inside of the construction of the caps. It is nicely tapered here with these covers. To keep the band in, that's perfectly fine. Whatever works, there's always a way to make these look very natural and hold secure to your head without having to add any pins or anything like that. So what I'm going to do now is cut this beautiful lace and come back and let's take a look. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and go over this right now. So as you can see, the lace itself is very dark. So for you light-skinned beauties out there, it's, you know, I don't think this is going to be much of an issue for you, but definitely for my ebony queens, you are covered, and you shouldn't have to really do much to, like, adding powder and stuff like that to make it blend in. It does look like it's still universal nonetheless. It's secure as heck. So you aren't going to have to worry about this thing going anywhere. Like, you can totally shake your head all you want, and it's gonna stay. It's definitely gonna stay. It's gonna stay through praise and worship, or at your favorite concert, or you know, or if you just wilding out or whatever. But nonetheless, this is a very, 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 very beautiful wig. I like it so far. It is very snug. I wouldn't say it's big head friendly. It's definitely got a secure fit, and it's probably because of the way that the locks are set in place. But nonetheless, it's still pretty, and it's about mid-length. So if you don't like them too long, but maybe you could add some of your own extra locks to it for a longer look. But nonetheless, I think this is still pretty enough. And so that being said, you wanna just let me go ahead and cut this, and then we'll see how it looks for the final evaluation. And I am back. Now this I do have a few gripes with, but for the whole, this is a very beautiful unit, and I love that I cut off the lace. But the lace is a bit of a problem because, like I said, if you are lighter skin, you are not going to be able to keep very much of the baby hair because the lace will contrast with your own skin. So you do need to try to be very careful on how you cut it. But as you can see, it looks very, very natural regardless. And I like that the feed in here looks like it's right on the scalp. So all of that still looks natural and has good density. It doesn't move much. They do have some parts where it's sewn down. I think that's just so that it doesn't come up and you can't really see the cap. But the curls are lovely at the bottom. And like I said, if you want to do more to this, you literally can. You can wear it up in an updo style, which is another just gorgeous thing. But me, I love my hair down, and I love my wigs to be down. And this one is a winner, especially for work or for a trip, especially if you want low maintenance and a wig that's gonna look the same way it did when you first took it out of the box. This is for you. So that's pretty much it. If you like this, I know you are going to love it on yourself. You're gonna look gorgeous and way better than I do, and you'll probably come up with some better ideas for it as well. I got mine at sogoodbaby.com. You can get yours, actually no, sorry, sogoodbaby.com. I got this one at Wig Types. And yeah, if you like it, go check it out. And thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and you guys have a blessed weekend and happy Mother's Day.